Your body will connect you. Thank you, Lucky. Thank you. Let me change my face. Change my face? What the face? What the face? Excuse me. Do you know Ryan? Yes, he's my friend. Ryan Graf Triple Two. Ryan Graf Triple Two. Ryan Graf Triple Two. Ryan Triple Two Graf. Yeah. Ryan Triple Two Graf. Yeah. I know him. We connect there, right? I know right or left or front or back. Peace! Hi, Peace! My kaibigan. Hope you enjoy yesterday about my singing coconut piece. You like it? Why I have 5 million people out there watching me this nonsense live? Just blah blah blah. There's nothing. Nothing. Hi, Peace from Little King. Hagdan. Sorry, Bez, I'm using direct to the point of YT world. I'm not using StreamYard this next time. Yes, I love it, Shem. I was streaming today, but I deleted it. Why you deleted it? Don't delete it. Little kid, don't delete it. Oh, don't delete. Why you delete? When was your live? Your live was on 2 days, 5 hours. You enjoy singing this my coconut song? Coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Hi, Lelki from Peace Papan. We have coming live is or coming premiere. Oh, congratulations, my kaibigan. You are point nine. Ay, 9, sorry. 4.1. But I upload 3 YouTube shorts. Oh, okay, good. It's my favorite song of yours. Ever Since is one of my favorite also as well. Yeah. That, plenty of my friends love to sing that. Every time I sing, they were cheering me, cheer, go Shaggy, sing coconut, go Shaggy, go Shaggy, like that. Even though I don't have a good voice, but I just want to give you a good vibes, happiness in life, smiling face, giving far, laugh here, laugh there, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Just like that. Maybe next time, bis I will do StreamYard. Yeah, I reached that milestone after 1 year. Oo, 1 year, no? Oo, that's too long, this. 1 year. Oo nga. 1 year. Yeah. Because we are friends 1 year. Walang ano man, bis. My handsome kaibigan, bis Mapen. Glad you came back from YT. Just don't be focused, just for good vibes. Yeah. Just for entertain them, like that. I'm trying to be famous YouTube Shaggy. Wow! Good to you, Loki. Go for it. I will support you. Just go for it, Loki. If you're happy, we will happy for you. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.